Hello, Alonso. Good
Hi,
to see
Peter.
you.
Good to see you.
Great to see you here at Mobile World Congress in the
Thank-
NTT booth, and really looking forward to our discussion. You are actually running a lot of the global industry solutions for NTT Data.
Mhm.
Can you give us some ideas of what kinds of solutions are being showcased here?
Well, first of all, thank you very much
No
for coming to my hometown in
Oh,
Barcelona.
that's right. Thank
So
you.
we have brought a wide variety of solutions, asset innovations from quantum computing, ion connectivity, photonics,
Right.
and we are now on the part of AI.
Right.
But always, all the things you can see here is how we apply these innovations to improve the business of our customers, to make our customers more productive. So everything you can see here has a concrete application, a concrete business case.
And we're very interested in understanding more about your ideas about what are some of our customers' biggest challenges and how is NTT Data addressing them?
Most of the customers we have across the industries, they have similar challenges, especially when we think about the supply chain.
Right.
For instance, when dealing with the process of order to delivery, things happen in production side, on the customer side. Sometimes the orders are not optimal.
Okay.
Now with AI, agentic, we can reimagine everything.
Excellent. Now, I want to get your thoughts on the future of industry and some of the challenges that you can help them deal with, whether it's around customers or other areas. What are your thoughts on that?
So we were talking about supply chain,
Right.
but the real thing is just to open our minds and take a look at the entire value chain.
Right.
And this also considers what's happening on the factory.
Oh, yeah.
And one of the challenges, many companies have been doing projects factory per factory,
Right.
but not at a global scale, not considering a global framework.
Oh, okay, so
That's-
they're very disjointed.
Yeah, that's one of the things that we are creating programs at a global scale that we can create these templates so that when we talk about smart factory, the
Right.
customers can take the benefits of reducing inventory, reducing costs, being more resilient, more agile. And if we combine supply chain
Right.
plus factories, that's a big deal.
Yeah, well, NTT Data is a very large global
Yeah.
IT services provider, so you can provide that service everywhere
Yeah.
for these global industries, right?
I agree.
Now, you mentioned agentic AI. Is that something that your customers are using to interface with their customers as a kind of a customer
Starting to
experience?
happen.
Is that right?
It's
Okay.
starting to happen.
I would love to see that, something where I can get a really good customer experience from an agentic AI.
This is starting now
Right.
with retailers, with the end consumer. This it will be agents interacting with the customers and also agents interacting with the end consumer. It will be a global scale reality in less than 1 year.
What makes NTT Data different from some of your competitors?
On the one side, the real end-to-end capabilities.
Right.
From connectivity to system integration, we have our own platforms and our consulting capabilities. But also is how we do things.
Right.
So our Japanese heritage,
Yeah.
how we think in the long term, how we partner in the long term. We invest $3.6 billion dollars every year in R&D,
Right.
just to help our customers, but also to help society.
Right.
So we have a broader mission.
Excellent. I see it's very busy here, so you have
Yeah.
a lot of customers to get to, so
Sure.
I don't want to keep you any longer.
No.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you very
Alonso.
much.
Super.
Okay,
Thank
see
you.
you soon.
Thank you.